complete smartphone graphic design 3-in-1 course. In this course, we are going to focus on 3 different aspects, and within the course we are going to learn about 3D logo design, which will be our first course. Then moving from there, we are going to learn about 3D text design, and then for the third one we are going to learn about smartphone graphic design. So before I talk about what is on the screen, let's go ahead and have an overview of the theory aspect of the course. So in the theory aspect, we are going to have a look into the concept of color theory. Then we are going to move on and then learn about the concept of font. And then we'll also go ahead and have a look at the design interface that you are seeing right here, how to use it, and all the tools have been explained as well. Then we go ahead and then move on to learn about 3D elements, which is very essential for our course or for the purpose of the designing of the 3D logo and the 3D text. And then we have some advanced tools on the design interface that I'm going to talk about as well. Then we'll also go ahead and then talk about how to render your final design work so that it can be print ready or for personal use or for social media uses as well. And then we'll go ahead and then have a look into the smartphone graphic design as well, where we'll talk about some few design elements such as shapes. Okay, so we are going to deal with that as well, and then how you can use shapes in your design works. And then we'll go ahead and then talk about grids and layouts. Is also very important. And then we'll talk about spacing and alignment as well. So basically this is the overview of the theory aspect of the course. Now let's go ahead and then have a look into the practical aspect, few of the designs to be expected in the course. So on your screen here is the Alpha Enterprises 3D logo design, which has been designed with just a smartphone, and you are also going to learn how to design that exactly. So let's go ahead and then have a look at few of the designs as well. Great. So we have this design as well that says Jaguar Empire, and this as well has been designed with a smartphone. So this is also one of the projects you are going to learn in the 3D logo design aspect of the course. So let's go ahead and then have a look at another one. So we have this one here as well that says St. Muffin's Eye Care. So we are going to also learn how to design it, how to curve the shape in form of eye and then make it 3D, and all these are going to be taught in the course. So let's go ahead and have a look at another one. Great. So right after designing that 3 projects, you are going to go ahead and then learn how to render all 3 in this cube shape. Okay, so you are also going to learn how to do this cool effect, which you can send to your clients if you are designing, let's say, 3 different logos for the person or 3 different variations of the logo. You can use this cool effect as well. So from there, we are going to move into the course on the 3D text design, and in that 3D text you are going to have a look into how to design a text like this that says food era. Okay, so you are going to learn how to design this nice 3D looking text right on your screen. Now let's go ahead and have a look into another one as well. So we have this one also that says golden 3D design. So we are going to learn this as well. Then let's go ahead and then have a look at this as well. So this is it. So this one says cloudy atmosphere. So you are going to learn this as well. And learning how to design 3D text can go a long way to help you in your graphic design journey. So this is really a cool thing to learn in this particular course. So now let's go ahead and then have a look at the smartphone graphic design course and some of the projects to be expected in that particular course as well. So with that, we are going to have two sections of the course. Okay, so in the first section, we are going to talk about mini projects, where you are going to learn how to design these cool graphics using your smartphone as well. So this graphic is telling us what time is golden, and we have the time is within the clock and this nice golden design right here. So we are going to learn this as well in your mini project. So from here we are also going to learn how to design this as well. Now the purpose of this design is for you to learn how to embed an image into a text. So as you can see, this guy here with the magnifier lens over here is searching for something. That's why the design says we found it, and the guy is within the text D, and you can also embed the guy within any text you want at all, or any picture into any text as well. So this is the main emphasis in this particular mini project, for you to know how to embed images into text. So from here we are going to talk about some of the main projects as well, where you are going to learn how to design this simple campaign flyer for a student who is aspiring to be an SRC president. So this particular design is also going to teach you how to design this simple logo at the top here, right within this particular design. So you are getting two things after learning this particular flyer design, which is the logo design at the top and the flyer design as well. And all the resources will be included for you to go along or learn along with it. Right from here, we are also going to learn how to design this simple one. Okay, that says what? Lovely Serenity Salon. So let's say someone has learned how to braid hair or make a makeup or anything related to hair, and they are designing an invitation card, or they ask you to design an invitation card. You can design this simple looking invitation card for the graduation ceremony of the person, and this as well has been taught using your smartphone. So now these are some of the things to be expected in the course. And should you be making any purchase decision, or if you should be thinking about whether or not to make a purchase, weigh the advantages and the disadvantages involved for you in gaining all these three skills. And graphic design is emerging these days as well, same as the logo design and the 3D text design. For the logo design specifically, businesses are emerging each and every day, and the businesses that are already in the market are also changing their brand identity. So it's an evergreen opportunity for you to know how to design logo. And once you know how to design logo, normally these requests do come with the graphic design as well. So go ahead, make your decision, and then I'll see you right in the course.